Hello everyone, knights and Toastmasters and guests. Communication is the basic skill that every person needs to communicate to each other and to express themselves. We humans always try to communicate with each other either by introductions or small talks. I do stand here in front of you all to introduce myself by giving a glimpse of my life and the experiences that I had. See, firstly, as the name Udit means to rise, I always had the passion to rise and to increase my capabilities, to improve them. I was born in the city of Lucknow, which is a quite beautiful city, and that made me the fourth member and the youngest one in the family. My father, Dr. Bhishma Kumar, is a nuclear hydrologist scientist. He is working in IAEA UN headquarters, Vienna. My mother, Mrs. Poonam Singh, she is a housemaker and she is quite talented, multi-talented. I also have an elder sister, Mrs. Soumya Singh Gaur. She recently got married and she is currently working in Australian Embassy in administration. My family and I have been living in the city of Roorkee, Uttarakhand for the past 20 years, which is quite renowned and famous for its famous college IIT Roorkee and many other governmental scientific organizations. But talking about myself, I am an ambivert person. I mean, initially I am quite shy and reserved to new people, but after I meet them, I know them, I am quite a crazy extrovert person who will be blabbering about random topics, weird topics, no matter what. And pardon me if I am appreciating myself, but I am a little bit caring for other people, and also at the same context an adventurous one who always try something new in my life. Taking new challenges always excites me to increase something in my life, making a new out of myself, something more, and it quite make me excited and astonished of myself also, that oh my god, I have done this, I can't believe. Now my hobbies are like playing badminton, swimming, and listening to and singing also to old music like Rafi and Kishore Da, and singing to electro music and hard rock, and reading novels, cooking, and of course working out, cooking, and also taking rides with my friends on the bike, going on long drives. But the best part about having fun is talking with the friends, talking useless shit, talking useless stuff that is of no regard to anybody, and talking about mind-boggling serious issues of the world. And I also like to learn new languages, which is quite interesting for me, although I am not excellent in many. Now my father has always been an inspirational figure for me, and from him I have learned many things. He has taught me a lot of things. He is a scientist, and he has always been finding something new about nature. He has been unveiling the secrets of the nature, and one of his sayings have always touched me. He says that there is nothing in this world that is made for fools, and everything is for the smarter guys. That is, a fool can die just by having overdose of ambrosia, and a smart person can create a medicine out of a poison. In short, a person can die of anything that is an excess. Excess of anything can be fatal, be it money, confidence, or anything. Now, my family has always inspired me and taught me some new things that can be rooted in me for long. That being generous to the underprivileged, being humble, being polite to the elders, and being loving to the younger ones, even though they try to get on nerves. And it has been a quite experience living to follow the expectations of my father and my family. My favorite movies that I always liked is The Dark Knight, as Batman is my favorite character, and one of my favorite characters, fictional, are Batman and Wolverine. But the most inspirational person that I believe in my life is my parents. They've always strived me to learn something new, and also respect people who are in front of you. Now, my favorite colors are red and black, and my favorite place in the world is my home, and my favorite person is my sister. My strengths are resurrection from bad positions, and to feel like I have the sense of becoming a perfect and an all-rounder person. And my weaknesses are to be a little bit edgy, giving more preferences to other people than myself occasionally, and to lose hope and giving up when there is a little bit chances of a shine in the clouds of distress. Talking about the people who I like and don't like, first of all, I do not appreciate the people who are quite greedy, selfish, and they take other people for granted. I like a person who is very appreciative to the other people's effort, who put other people forward before themselves, and who are quite trustworthy, and a philanthropist. I believe that every person is different in their own ways. They're unique. They may be having a different family background, a different dream, and a different nation maybe. But in all, we are all from this, all God's people, a big family, and that is why we should not consider people different just because of the caste, creed, or nation. With that, I would like to finish my speech. Thank you all.